This is Josh with MarineMax of New York. Today we're going to look at a brand new 2020 320 Sea Ray Sundancer. It has the beautiful blue hull. Nice hardtop. This boat's equipped with the IO option. Also hydraulic swim platform. Stay with the good side. Over here you have compartment, easy access to shore power. Nice big sun pad, stereo controls. Sun pad does convert, so a much bigger space. Look at all the seating this boat has. So step inside. Starboard side, you'll see it comes with the grill, fridge, sink, controls for the extendable shade. See right there. Very nice, well-equipped home. Joystick piloted. 2 large SIMRAD screens for your GPS, other boat functions. Fusion stereo. Nice easy access buttons to both the left and the right. The steering wheel. Spotlight controls. Onboard VHF radio. Sunroof if you want to open it up. Let the light in. Step through. Let's see what makes this boat so unique. It's a giant bow area. You don't see on many cabin boats. Another set of stereo controls up here. This boat just arrived. We're still putting it together. Let's take a look inside. You have a bed. This would raise up the table if you want to have lunch or breakfast. Nice TV. Plenty of natural light indoors. There's another fridge, microwave. Back there you have 2 more berths. Nice head. All that high-end material used on this boat. See, nice subwoofer there for the sound system. This boat's equipped with the dune color interior. If you have any questions about this 320 Sundancer, give us a call at MarineMax in New York.